Hello everyone. So children, in last video we discussed about the chapter first, class 6th, food, where does it come from? Okay, so we will continue the same chapter. See here, what do we conclude from activity 3? Plant are the source of food ingredients like grain, cereals, vegetables and fruits. Okay, so in last activity we had discussed that um, we get food from plants as well as from animals, and lots of examples are given in the book and you know very well. Like from plants we get vegetables, we get spices, grains, cereals, so many things. In the same way, from animals we get milk, so many milk products, meat, egg. Okay, so these are the different things which we get as a food from plants and animals. Okay, like milk product means we get cheese, butter. Okay, see here it is written cheese, butter, ice cream, curd, all these are milk product. And from where does we get from where we get milk? We get milk from cow, buffalo, goat. Yes, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now see the next one. Animals provide us with milk, meat products, egg. Cow, goat and buffalo are some common animals which give us milk. Milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese and curd are used all over the world. Okay, so children, we use different types of milk product for eating or for making some dishes. Okay, like milk you are drinking, but by using milk we can make smoothie. Okay, we use like suppose during summer season we use milk for making mango shake. Yes, in the same way curd also we eat as it is, or we can make different food items by using curd. Okay, now see next line. Can you name some other animals which give us milk? Yes children, here three names given: cow, goat and buffalo. So can you tell some other animal which give us milk? Yes, we get milk from camel also. Okay, now move to next. Plant parts and animal product as food. Okay, see the next heading, plant parts and animal product as food. See, plants are one source of our food. Which part of a plant? Okay, so children, some part of plant means you know na, parts of plant like root, stem, fruits, flower. Okay, so some parts of plant we use for eating. Okay, we eat many leafy vegetable, we eat fruit from some plant, some root, sometimes stem and even flower. Okay, do you know children that we not only eat fruits of a plant, yes, we eat leaf also. Leaf, example spinach. Okay, पालक का साग खाते हो ना, तो spinach, that is the leaf part. Okay, stem also we eat. Okay, so give me some example of stem. Yes, very good. Potato. Potato is a underground stem. Yes, potato is not a root, not a fruit. It is underground stem. Okay, root. Root example. Yes, very good. Carrot, turnip, radish. खाते हो ना आप लोग, गाजर, मूली. Okay, these are the example of underground root. So children, we not only eat fruit of a plant, we eat root, stem and flower also. Okay, now come to next one. See figure 1.4. Have you ever eaten pumpkin? Yes children, pumpkin flour dipped in rice paste and fried. Yes, so as a flour, we pumpkin flour we eat like we may dip that one flour in the paste of rice, or you can say in the paste of besan. Okay, and after that we fried it deep. Okay, and after that we eat it. Okay, now see different parts of a plant. See here, one second. Okay, see, so this is flower. Okay, flower, and this one fruit, this stem, leaf, bud, node, and internode. Okay, so these are the shoot part of a plant, and this is the root. Okay, this one is root. So plant mostly divided in two parts. Okay, two part, shoot system and root system. Okay, shoot system and root system. So root system contain primary root and secondary root, but shoot system contain most of the part of plant like flower, fruit, bud, stem, leaf. Okay, these are the shoot part of a plant. Now move to next part. Okay, first of all, see this. Pahili wants to know if any of our food comes from sources other than plants and animals. So Pahili want to know that we get food from other sources also, other than plants and animals. You think and answer me. Okay, and if you are not able to answer me, I will tell you. Okay, now see, some plants have two or more eatable. Edible means the part which we eat. Okay, the things which we eat is known as edible things. So some plants have two or more edible part. Okay, it's not like only we eat root part of some plant and shoot part of other plant. Okay, it's not like that. मीन्स इन द सेम प्लांट वी कैन ईट टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑल्सो. ठीक है, मतलब इसका क्या कहने का मतलब है कि ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम एक प्लांट का एक ही चीज़ खा सकते हैं. मतलब किसी का स्टेम खाएं, किसी का फ्लावर, किसी प्लांट का, किसी का फ्रूट. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि हम एक पार्ट से काफ़ी चीज़ें हमें मिल सकती है. फ्रूट भी मिल जाए, उसका रूट पार्ट भी हम खा सकते हैं, फ्लावर भी खा, जैसे पम्पकिन. ठीक है, बेस्ट एग्जांपल गिवन इन योर बुक. ओके, pumpkin we add that fruit also and flower also. Okay, so see next, seed of mustard plants give us oil and the leaves are used as a vegetable. Yes, this is also best example. Okay, mustard, we get from mustard seed we get oil, mustard oil. Okay, and their leaves और ऑल्सो ईटन एज अ वेजिटेबल. है ना, सरसों का साग है ना, पंजाब साइड में फेमस है ना सरसों का साग, मक्के की रोटी. सो इन मस्टर्ड प्लांट ऑल्सो वी गेट टू edible part. Okay, now see, can you think of different parts of a banana plant that are used as food? Think of more example where two or more parts of a single plant are used as a food. So brinjal, just now I told you, this one pumpkin, just now I told you. So you think some more plant from which we get two edible part or more than two edible part. Okay, now move to next. So see table 1.4, food item with plant as a major source, ingredients and sources, and the last one is plant part which give us the ingredient. Okay, so see here children, first one is given brinjal curry. Okay, how we make brinjal curry, what are the ingredients? First of all we need brinjal, chili as a spice. Okay, oil from groundnut, means oil you can use any one, either you can use groundnut or mustard oil or soybean oil, but you will take only one type of oil. Okay, not all the three you are going to put. Okay, so and brinjal is a fruit part, chili is also fruit, and oil we get from seed of a plant. Okay, so in the same way you have to fill second and third. Okay, so you can take any curry, or you can use like your make chapati. Okay, how we are going to make chapati? From wheat. Yes, from wheat. First column you can write wheat, or no, first column you will in the second one you will write chapati. Okay, like brinjal curry is written, so in the same way you will write chapati. And ingredients for that, you need wheat flour, water. Yes, and after that here it is given from which part. So seed, from seed we get. Okay, now we will move to next part, so you fill it. Okay, I'm giving you as a homework. Now move to next. See here, picture of a squirrel. Okay, squirrel eating nuts. You will then surely be aware of the food the animal eat. What about other animals? Have you ever observed what a squirrel, pigeon, lizard, or a small insect may be eating as their food? So children, do you know that what different types of animal, what they eat at? What means? Some are eating nuts, some are eating different other animals also. Okay, so do you think about all these things, that what different types of animals are eating as their food? Because animals are also living. Okay, like us, animals are also living, so they also need food, water, everything for their survival. So do you think that what they are eating? Think about it. Okay, now activity 6. Several animals are listed in table 1.5. For some of them, the type of food they eat is also given, filling the blanks in the table. So see, now here some example of animals are given, and see what they are eating. See, first one, buffalo. Buffalo eat grass, oil cakes, hay and grains. Cat. Cat eat small animals, birds, milk. Rat, lion, tiger, spider, house lizard, cow. Okay, so you have to now see next. Human beings, butterfly, crow, and if you want to write some more, you can write. Okay, so children, how you are going to know that what they are eating? So first of all, you should know that either they are herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. I thought you might be knowing that. Herbivores means animal which eat plants only. Okay, plants only. Carnivores means animal those who are eating other animals. Okay, and omnivores means those who are eating plants as well as animals. They are known as omnivores. Like we, human beings are omnivores. Okay, because we are eating both plants and animals. Means some of you are maybe vegetarian, some of you are non-vegetarian, but means we categorize human beings in omnivores. Why? Because they eat both plants as well as animals. So if you know that in these lists, if you know that which animal is herbivores, carnivores and omnivores, then you can easily write that which type of food item they eat. Okay, like lion, tiger, they are carnivores. Yes, human beings, we are what? Omnivores. Butterfly comes under herbivores. Okay, so you do this, and if you have any confusion, you can ask me. Okay, in any animal, but you try to do it by yourself. Okay, now see activity 7. Have a look again at table 1.5 and group the animal entered here as follow. Place animals which eat only plants. Okay, so here it is given only plants or plant product in group 1. Okay, so in this table 1.6, what you have to do, you have to take the name of the animals from table 1.5. okay, all the animals, and you have to group in this table 1.6. okay, so see, These are herbivores, means those who are eating plant. Just now I told you na that the animal which eat plant, they are known as herbivores. There are some animal which eat other animals. Place these in a group too. Okay, so the animals who are eating other animals, you will put it in carnivores. Okay. Now, do you find some animals which eat both plants and animals? Place them in group 3, that is called omnivores. Yes, very good. Now prepare a table as in table 1.6 and enter these separately in 3 column as shown. So children, just now I told you, if you classify the animal in these 3 group, okay, if you are able to classify these animals in a, means they will come under herbivores or carnivores or omnivores, then easily you can do table 1.5 also. Okay, so see, first one example are given: herbivores cow, carnivores loin, omnivores dog. Okay, one more example I can tell you, but other you have to do by yourself. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Okay, so see, in herbivores you will write buffalo. Okay, in carnivores you will write, loin is given, tiger. Clear? And in omnivores you can write human beings. Okay, other you do by yourself. Okay, if you have any confusion, then you can ask me. Now come to next. Tahiri wants to know where you would place a human beings. Okay, that I already told you. Okay, Pahili wants to know that where you would place human beings while filling table 1.6. So I just now I told you that human being comes under omnivores. We know that there are many amongst us who do not get sufficient food. We need to find way by which more food can be produced in the country. That will not be enough. We will need to find way to ensure that this food is made easily available to each one of us. So children, as you know that in so many advertisement, or maybe your teachers or teacher or your family member or your parents are telling you that don't waste food. Okay, you have to take the that much food which you are able to finish. Okay, and after that, suppose if you are not full, then you can take it again. Okay, but if suppose you are going to take so too much amount of food and you are not able to finish it, so what you are going to do, you are going to put it in dustbin. Okay, so it is not good, because some of the people still in our country, some of the people are not able to get the food for all the 3 times, means for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Okay, so we should not waste food. And second thing, we need to find out that what are the different ways. Okay, what are the different procedure to means to get enough amount of food. Okay, how we will produce lots of amount of food, so it is sufficient for the people of our country. Okay, so here some keywords given: ingredients, edible. Ingredients means the things which we use for preparing our dish. Edible means thing which we eat. Nectar means children flower juice. Okay, means butterfly. What butterfly drink, what butterfly get means have as their food. Butterflies suck nectar, or you can say butterflies suck flower juice. Okay, from flower, and that is the food of butterfly. Sprouted seed means like chana, or you can take moong dal also. Okay, so if you pour water in it and soaked it overnight in water, after some time what you have to do, you have to remove the water. Okay, in the morning, suppose you take some amount of seed, this moong dal or chana. Okay, pour the water in it, soaked it overnight. After in the morning, what you have to do, you have to just remove the water from that seed, and after some time you are going to see white color sprouts. Okay, that is called sprouted seed. Okay, herbivores, I told you, herbivores are the animals which eat only plant. Carnivores, animals which depend on other animals for their food. And omnivores are those who eat plant as well as animals. Okay, so children, you revise all these things, and in my next video we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. Okay, till then all of you take care and revise it. Okay, if you have any confusion in these topic, or you are not able to complete the exercises or whatever homework I have given you, then you can tell me. Okay, till then all of you take care. Thank you.